All right. Hey everyone, welcome to the SIG Docs new contributor meet and greet call. Today is March 4th, and this is the third call of this year. This new contributor meet and greet call happens on the first Tuesday of every month, and this is basically to help you make your first contribution to the Kubernetes documentation and help you answer any questions if you have any. So usually how we do these meetings is we go around introducing ourselves, and if you have any questions, later on we can talk about them, or yeah, we can like talk about how you can get started with contributing to Kubernetes. So I will start off by introducing myself. Hey everyone, my name is Sridham. I am the SIGDocs new contributor ambassador, which means that I am the person who hosts these calls, and I'm also your point of contact if you have any questions on how to get started with contributing. Like if you have made your first pull request, or if you need any assistance uh, creating your pull request or finding good issues or anything like that, you can reach out to me on Slack. You can find me in the same name. And yeah, I currently work at DigitalOcean, uh, and I live in India. Yeah, that is pretty much about me. I've been contributing to Kubernetes for about 2 years now, on and off, and I've been contributing like consistently for about a year. Like I've been part of the community for a year by now, and yeah, that is pretty much everything about me. Uh, I see that we have one more person who joined the call. Hey, Badmus. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. If not, please do correct me. Welcome to the call. We were just getting started, so yeah, we can go around introducing ourselves. Shravan, would you like to go next?
Yeah, sure. So, can you just let me know if my voice is clear?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Shravan. I live in Mumbai, in India. So, previously I used to be a Web3 developer. Now I am changing my domain into DevOps. So, currently I'm learning DevOps, learning Kubernetes, Docker. So, all of these technologies kind of new to me. So, my primary goal is to somehow get into the open source ecosystem of Kubernetes. So that is what I'm trying to gain. Meet with people who are already doing these things, like contributing to Kubernetes project. So yeah, I mean that's what I'm learning currently learning right now. So yeah, that is summary of me.
Awesome, thank you, and welcome to the community. Patmas, would you like to go next?
Oh, thank you very much. My name is Badmus. I'm from Nigeria. I'm part of this lovely group for a while now, but I've not really made any contributions yet. And I wanted to right now. I feel there's the time for me to do that. So I look forward to the assistance and support that I can get from you to get started with the contributions. I'm a technical writer and I'm a software engineer as well. Thank you.
Awesome. Yeah, welcome to the community, Patmas. Uh, so usually these calls are very like we don't have much of a structure. So since both of you are new to the community, I can talk a bit about like some of the common things that I share in these calls. Let me share my screen really quick, and yeah, we can go through some stuff. So the Kubernetes website is yeah. Before I start, like feel free to at any point of time like interrupt me and ask if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them. But yeah, the Kubernetes website, which is available at kubernetes.io, is where we have all our like this is the entire like this website has the entire documentation and all of the blog posts and everything. And yeah, this is stored like the code for this website is present in the Kubernetes/website repository. So this is the repository where we have our entire documentation, as well as the blogs and like the code that is required for the website itself. So this is basically a Hugo project. If you're familiar with Go, Hugo is a static site generator for Go, with which you can create websites. And we are using Go to, sorry, we are using Hugo to run our website. And this particular repository in GitHub has all the documentation. And when I say documentation, I mean both the English documentation as well as all the localizations into the other languages. Uh, we have a bunch of different languages. Like we have the website available in a bunch of different languages, which we can switch when we click on this button on the top right. So all of these is maintained by different volunteers, and all of the code and all of the files are present inside this particular repository. So this particular call is specific to SIG docs. SIG docs is the special interest group which deals with the documentation. And if you're someone who are trying to get started with contributing to Kubernetes in general, like if you're interested in contributing code, then we also have another Kubernetes new contributor orientation call. So we have another website called kubernetes.dev. This is the website for the Kubernetes contributors. And I will share this link in the chat, but if you click on resources here in this website, you can find something called the community calendar. So the community calendar has all the details of all the different the community calls that are happening, such as this one. So if you look for Tuesday, March 4th, you can see the SIGDocs contributors meet and greet call. So similarly, on the third Tuesday of every month, you should be able to see the new contributor orientation call. So let me just quickly change this to like a month view. Yeah, I'm not sure why this is not coming up. Yeah. Yeah, see this one on Tuesday, March 18th, there is the new contributor orientation meeting. That is like that has a more general agenda, and it goes through how the entire Kubernetes community works, what are different special interest groups, and how the entire community is structured and all of that. So that would be something that you would be interested in if you're trying to contribute to Kubernetes in a general sense and not just to the documentation. But I just wanted to get that out of the way. Just give me a second. I'm getting a call,
Okay.
like a work related.